Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to approach playing Infinity Blade on Android. Many players wonder if this popular action role-playing game is available across all mobile platforms. Unfortunately, Infinity Blade was a flagship title for Apple's iOS, meaning it was designed and released solely for iPhones, iPads, and iPod Touches. This exclusivity means you cannot directly download or install the game on any Android device through official channels. The reason for this exclusivity lies in the game's development. Infinity Blade was a technical marvel, often used to demonstrate the power of new Apple devices. It was built using the Unreal Engine 3, but optimized specifically for iOS, leveraging unique features of that operating system. This deep integration made it incredibly difficult, if not impossible, to simply transfer the game to the Android platform without a complete redevelopment effort. So, what are your options if you want to experience Infinity Blade's unique combat? The most straightforward way is to play it on an Apple device, perhaps an older iPhone or iPad if you have access to one. If that's not feasible, many excellent Android games offer similar one-on-one combat, stunning graphics, and deep progression systems. Titles like Pascal's Wager or Honkai Impact 3 provide comparable high-quality experiences for Android users. To summarize, while the desire to play Infinity Blade on Android is understandable, the game's exclusive nature means it's not officially available. There are no legitimate step-by-step instructions for installing it on an Android device. Instead, I recommend exploring the vast library of high-quality action role-playing games specifically designed for Android. You'll find many titles that offer equally engaging gameplay and impressive visuals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.